Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here, unpackaging, whatever you want to call it. Actually, I bought these straps from Bobby Legs on Whatnot. I was on his live stream sometime last week. Didn't take too long to get these shipped over. It was a fun time. It was my first time as a buyer on Whatnot. I've been on a couple other, well, I bid on some auctions, didn't actually win any other auctions, so this is my first item that I won at auction on Whatnot. And then I also had a live stream on there a little while ago too. I plan on doing another one here sometime soon. Maybe sometime here. Yeah, I'm not sure how soon, but I'll get around to doing another one. So let's see what I bought here. So I bought these, he called it a bag of NATOs. I think there's 4 or 5 of them in here. So you pay for the taxes and then you pay for the shipping as the buyer. And then as a seller, there's, I think it works out to be 11% fee. There's 8% that you pay to Whatnot, and then there's 2.9% plus 30 cents you pay to PayPal. So let's see what we have here. The Watch Steward. I think this is an elastic type strap. Yep, this elastic strap, similar to the Erica's originals. I have one of those too. I need to get unboxed. I'm not sure what this one is. Some other kind of, looks like a single piece type strap, maybe adjustable. Yeah, Whatnot's kind of fun to buy stuff on there. Another, okay, so this is a NATO strap here. Not sure what brand that is. Okay, Blue Shark. This is high quality. I think they're pretty high quality NATO straps. And let's see what this one here is. Looks like a, okay, so it's another Blue Shark. And this is, looks to be another adjustable type strap maybe. Yeah, it looks to be an adjustable NATO strap. Quality feels real nice. It feels real similar to Bark and Jack one that I have, and looks like the same kind of colorway, so that's neat. Let's see if this one has a brand. I don't think this one has a brand to it. So yeah, just a short unboxing video and a quick talk about my experience on Whatnot. It's fun to be on there with the live stream. I've never done a live stream auction before, so it's pretty neat to kind of get into the, I don't know, heat of the moment, I guess, or I don't know, it's neat. If you guys haven't been on there, you should try it out. I'll leave a link in the description below to invite you to Whatnot. If you use that link to make a purchase, you get $10, and then I get $10 in credit, I think, from Whatnot. I'm not exactly sure how it works, but so I think that will conclude this video. As always, well, first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.